So let's go back to the 5 principles of capitalism. If we are being capitalists, if you will, from the heart, with healthy sense of self-worth and a deep, powerful sense of value, you know your right place and your right space. And you are so beautifully embodying the fulfillment of the story of who you are. And you recognize that you are a unique and vital part of the cosmic plan. And hey, so is everybody else, because we're a puzzle, right? And we all have to be doing our fair share to be amplifying the magnificence and the beauty of the puzzle. When we're living and creating from that place of healed self-worth, we use private property to enhance the well-being of others, right? Or we do our best to create property that has the power to enhance the well-being of others. It becomes a paramount conversation to have collectively, that we make sure that every single living person who chooses to own a home owns a home. That's a non-negotiable. Supply and demand is then used to meet the needs of all. You see a collective need, you work and rush in with your business to fill it. Or if it's not your business's job to fill it, you take the excess of what you create in your business and you put the money there. Competition becomes the race to resolve the challenges facing humanity at the fastest rate possible, and I might even add collaboratively. Freedom. If the nature of the cosmos is to become increasingly complex, to unify and create greater states of coherence, love, and order, then we are given freedom that is rooted in a profound healed expression of our authentic integral self. Then our free expression naturally serves and represents the complexity, unity, and coherence of the cosmos. We're free to follow the flow of life's intelligence through us to create unity and coherence and greater evolved expressions of the human story. And the incentive then becomes the natural force that moves business towards creating success that enhances well-being as the new metric of success and profit. And so if you're familiar with the doctrine of Adam Smith, he talks a lot about the invisible hand, that somehow magically when businesses and people in business are fulfilling their destiny for their business, that magically everything clicks into place and we have a society where everybody has enough. I believe that that invisible hand that Adam Smith talks about is compassion. Because when you are standing in your value and you see someone who isn't, you can't help but want that for them too, to be able to lift them up, to bring them into alignment with their value. Because you understand that each and every human being, sentient being on the planet plays a unique and vital, irreplaceable role in the puzzle that is the unfolding of life's evolution and the beauty of the human story.